Hey, what's going on? I had this question the other day in our mastermind group about actually how to stream a Zoom meeting inside of your Facebook page and or Facebook profile. And the reason you would want to do this is, let's say you want to use the screen share features or some of the other Zoom features that you love inside of the Zoom meeting, and you want to stream it into Facebook or do a Facebook Live. So I'll be showing you how to do that in this video. And if you have any other questions, I love to answer questions related to marketing, tools, different things that we use in the home business, internet marketing industry. So feel free to write them below in the comments, shoot me an email, or reach out to me on Facebook. I'll be happy to help you and answer your questions. Maybe one of your questions will be in the next video. So let's go ahead and get right into this video. So if you log into your Zoom meeting right here, right now, as I'm shooting this video, it is 2020, and they changed it a little bit. Like, you used to have a webinar room in order to stream in Facebook. Now it works on both webinar room and meetings. So that's pretty cool. So you could just set up either a webinar room or a meeting. So you'll just click schedule a new meeting, and then we'll just do test meeting. And then it doesn't really matter to the time. Like, obviously this is you're going to figure out that. But if you're just going to stream it right into Facebook, none of this matters. Okay. So right here, if you scroll down, just leave everything pretty much the same. Do all the settings that you want to do. Click save. And then what you need to do is you need to start the meeting. So you're going to go right into the meeting. It's going to obviously have you open up Zoom. Okay, so here's the Zoom window like normal. Now I'm not going to enable these inside of here. I mean, you can obviously do this, but now my webcam is being used twice, right? So this is the Zoom meeting. I'm going to turn that off right now because I'm shooting this video right now. So right here, this is how you do it. Is you're going to click on the little more button, okay? And then right there, live on Facebook. Just choose that, live on Facebook. And now there's a couple other steps you're going to want to do. Is obviously choose whether you want it on your timeline. You could do this in a group. You could do this on a page that you own, like a business page. So let's go ahead and do it on the timeline. Click next. And then it's going to start to post it into as a Facebook Live. It's not live yet, just so you know. It's just going to be doing this screen right here. There's a couple other steps you need to do. All right, so now over here, it's going to show you what's showing to your Facebook page over here. And then over here, it's going to be, you need to actually post something. So you're going to say something like, whatever the topic of your live is, just a test. Right? Now I'm going to make this, obviously you want to make sure it's public so that everybody sees this live on your Facebook page. But I'm going to do only me because I don't want everybody to see this, because this is basically nothing. This is just a test. And here's another cool feature you could do is you can preview what it shows there. So if I want to, change the views, change what people see. So let me show you. So let's say I want to share my screen. Okay, so let's share this screen real quick. Okay. Now what will happen is there's a delay with Facebook, but eventually it will show up that I'm sharing my screen. There we go. Boom. And then I can share that screen. I could do anything that I want over there on that screen. That's the Cybertruck. but yeah, so now if I wanted to, do like a tutorial over there on, let's say if I put this over there and show people, what I'm doing, I'm on Facebook or whatever, and then I come back over here, it'll preview what I'm doing over there on that other screen. So that's how you can use it. That's how you can stream it in Facebook. You can preview it before you go live. I'm going to go ahead and click go live, and I'm going to go live anyway. I don't really want a title. All right. And there you have it. So once this is done right here, once it says done, redirect into live, you are live on your page. And now the one thing that I will just give you guys a tip on, the second you click go live, you are actually live. Okay, so if you wait a couple seconds like for it to load up on Facebook, people see that, by the way, like on the replay. So like where I said when I clicked post, it's basically live at that point. So you could just start talking. Like while it's loading up in Facebook, you could just start talking and just start welcoming people to your live, versus saying, oh, I'm waiting. Oh, there we are. Now we're live. Everybody sees that part. Okay. So that's just a quick little tip. But now you can see that you're live here. If you want to interact with comments, I suggest you, double click on your live. Okay. And then mute it. So like right there, you'll mute it. Okay, this is important to mute the video so that you can see the comments and that your video is not feedback looping to you. Okay, so like when I turn on, when I unmute myself, so like on these control bars, here's the Zoom control bar. If I unmute myself, I'm going to have a double feed, right? It's going to be like a mic, and then it's going to be coming out of my speakers. I'm going to be hearing myself, and it's going to be a huge echo. So if you want to interact with your live viewers, you're going to want to make sure that you mute. So you open this up in a new tab, and then you're going to mute the line right there, the little mute button on Facebook. And then that way you're live on Facebook, and then you can go do whatever you want to do. So you can do your tutorial on whatever you're going to be talking about. If you're talking about YouTube, you could do your YouTube tutorial. You could share your screen like I'm sharing my screen right now. You could just go that route. But that's how you stream live. Those are a couple tips for you. If you got value from this, let me know in the comments. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. I answer a lot of questions, a lot of how-tos on different marketing tools and different things. So if you have questions for me, feel free to comment in the comment section below. Happy to answer your questions for you and help you out in your marketing journey. My website is whoismikehobbs.com. You can get all of my free resources over there. So appreciate you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.